Hello friends, I'm going to start a series on spoken English. This is my first lecture on spoken English. Friends, this lecture is on a meeting conversation. Suppose two persons meet each other, they greet together. Let's have a brief conversation. What will be the possible conversation? Friends, you can see a sentence written on the board. Hello. Here the word S1 represents a person, first person, and S2 another person. Friends, when S1 says hello, how are you? He says hello. Hello is the way of greeting, and then he asks a question, how are you? What will be the possible answer? Friends, it's very common. You always say I'm fine. Clear? And now you will have to say not I'm fine. You should say here pretty well. Friends, here we use the sentence pretty well in place of I'm fine. I'm fine is a very common sentence people usually say. So if you want something new, you can say I'm pretty well or pretty well is enough. Clear friends? And here you will have to say thanks. Clear friends? Pretty well, thanks. And now it's moral duty that you should also raise a question, and you should know the welfare of another person. Clear? So your question will be and you. So here you can say the first line of the conversation will be hello, how are you? Pretty well, thanks, and you. Clear friends? S1, here the possible answer from S1 will be I'm fine. Clear friends? And then thanks, I'm fine, thanks. And now S2 says it's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. And this sentence, it's good to see you again, we use the sentence when we want to say that आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Clear friends? So now we will analyze the sentence. Now it's good to see you again. Clear? Friends, here our sentence is it's good to see you again. What will be the possible structure or possible answers in place of it's good to see you again? Let's have the word good. What the possible words you can use in place of good? Here you can say nice. It's nice to see you again. You can also say wonderful. It's wonderful to see you again. You can say delightful. And now your sentence will be it's delightful to see you again. Marvelous. So friends, your answer will be it's marvelous to see you again. Exciting. It's exciting to see you again. Amazing. It's amazing to see you again. And also you can say fabulous. It's fabulous to see you again. Friends, if you want to say that it's good to see you again, you will not have to remember only this word. good, or you will not to have remember the whole sentence. It's good to see you again. You should have these words also in place of good. Clear? And now you can practice these words, and gradually you will find that it's very natural to use these words in your sentence. Clear, friends? You should have practice. It's good to see you again. It's nice to see you again. It's wonderful to see you again. It's delightful to see you again. It's marvelous to see you again. It's exciting to see you again. It's amazing to see you again. It's fabulous to see you again. Friends, now we will analyze the sentence again. It's good to see you again. Friends, now we see what will be the possible words, what will be the possible structures in place of see. So friends, you can use here, it's good to talk to you again. It's good to meet you again. It's good to meet you again. It's good to be with you again. It's good to hear from you again. It's good to hear from you again. Or it's good to have a meeting with you again. Or it's good to have a conversation with you again. Clear, friends? Friends, you should remember these words, these possible words or these possible phrases in place of see. So let's have a practice now. It's good to see you again. It's good to talk to you again. It's good to meet you again. It's good to be with you again. It's good to hear from you again. It's good to have a meeting with you again. And it's good to have a conversation with you again. So you should remember the very one thing, that if you want to improve your spoken English, you will have to speak. There is no other choice. Clear, friends? And now the structures or the possible sentences I'm providing you, you should have to speak these words. Clear? If you have no speaking partner, then what will you do? You will have to practice these structures with me. Clear, friends? Friends, we will again analyze this sentence. It's good to see you again. Friends, here, suppose you want to use any specific time phrase. Clear? So, what will be your possible sentence? You can say, it's good to see you again today. You will add the time phrase today after this sentence. Clear? Or you can say, it's good to see you again this morning, or this noon, this afternoon, this evening. Clear, friends? Today, this morning, noon, afternoon, evening. Or in place of these words, you can say during our vacation, clear, you know vacation, or you can say holidays, so soon again. If you are meeting a person very early, very frequently, then you can say it's good to see you so soon again. Clear? Or suppose if you are meeting a person after a very long time, after a very long duration, then you can say it's good to meet, yeah, it's good to see you again after such a long time. So friends, let's have a practice by using these words. So practice with me. It's good to see you again today. It's good to see you again this morning. It's good to see you again this noon. It's good to see you again this afternoon. Or it's good to see you again this evening. It's good to see you again during our vacation. It's good to see you so soon again. It's good to see you after such a long time. Clear, friends? Now, friends, we should have a mix exercise. Here, very first thing, the sentence is it's good to see you again. Friends, suppose you have the word wonderful and you have to replace the word good. So the sentence will be it's wonderful to see you again. And if you have a word meeting, then what will you say? You will say it's wonderful to meet you again. Clear, friends? And suppose in place of you, you have all of you. So your sentence will be, it's wonderful to meet all of you again. If you have so soon again, a time expression, so soon again, then your sentence will be, it's wonderful to meet all of you so soon again. Clear, friends? And suppose you have a phrase, we be with you again. Your sentence will be, it's good or it's wonderful to be with you again. Clear? So friends, you can see here that we have discussed many sentences, many phrases, and we have got many options. We have not any specific or any particular sentence. So we should not cram it. We should learn these words, friends, and after practicing these words, you can get well versed or you can get fluency in English. I think that's enough for today. Friends, we will discuss more things in the next lecture. I hope you will like this video and you can leave your comments in the comment box. So now, thanks for watching this video.